Hello and welcome. If you're watching this tutorial, then you're probably interested in how to get started in the realistic mode for our workers and resources. So welcome, comrades. We are going over the basic layout that I made here. This is actually quite extensive, but the basics are quite simple. And then we'll get started. We'll get over the starting point first. Yeah, you have in your game starting 7 free construction offices and 5 distribution offices. I've used 4 here at the custom house. I have one that is going to get just fuel and liquids, only oil tankers. I have one for aggregates, so that gets dumpers. I have one for materials, which I forgot to rename, I see. Which is going to get open hulls, and here I'm going to get stores and warehouses, like such, which is going to have covered hulls. So I have different machines in all different things who are specialized for one task, and then I'll, how do you say, give them the different tasks. The free house can have up to 20 tasks. For this one I now put in 3, which are the 3 fuel tanks that I placed. I also placed here 3 construction offices for concrete and covered, for road construction, and for foreign workers. The concrete and covered are going to get all their materials at the custom house, so that's why they're placed neatly next to that. The road construction is going to start at the custom house and then works its way inland, so that's why that is placed here. That's all there is to tell about this spot. Then we move to what I named the old storage yards, which contains actually quite a lot of different things, but the starting element is this gravel storage, which has connected to it a concrete plant and asphalt station. So 3 different types of materials can have access to the gravel. And the gravel will get filled by the dumpers from the aggregates, and here we even have already a dry bulk storage for future reference. This is gonna supply a lot of the materials that we'll need in concrete, asphalt and gravel to get started in the ground phase of most of our constructions. Here at the bottom you see more construction offices, one that's going to have open hulls and dumpers, so they can collect all these materials. One that's going to have concrete and covered hulls and other kinds of stuff. This is going to be my future road construction team. And then here I have excavators, road cranes, also specialized. So their search pattern is a little bit altered, but they'll do the things they need to do. And here I have the 2 free ones for open hulls and dumpers, which are going to merge into this one, so we can reuse these 2. And next up is I have already a setup for a tree cutting thing and a bricks factory. I use this relatively close to town, because that makes the supply lines short for vehicles between the 2 bus stops. And yeah, these are low polluting industries. I also have a small heating plant and an incinerator. They are much higher polluting, but the heating plant is far away enough from the city to not cause pollution. I have done dozens of madness, but that's my madness. And you'll see that the distance is now 600 meters, and that is okay. There are 2 distances which you need to keep in mind with this thing. The pipes can go for 1 kilometer, so 1000 meters. The pollution stops at around 500-600 meters when it's working at full capacity. And yeah, that's about it. So I've taken these into account, and I have two heating plants which are located, actually three if I'm not mistaken. There should be one here as well somewhere, somehow. Not yet placed. Wasn't it here? No, that's my electricity. Well, there's gonna be a one here. Let's check if we can see it with a house or a building. No, we see only two red lines. So let's place this small heat exchanger here as well, with the thingy to the bottom. And let's double check that these are things I have done off screen. I think I even made a thingy of it, where I'm now checking if the line is still green. That means that the heat will be transferred. Okay. Well, so that was the connection between heat and city. Let's show you the city. I have placed all my important buildings like schools, hospitals and stuff here in the middle. It's a football ground. Here's my fire station. That's the heating plant. Here's the cinema. That's the one that's a bit off. And here's the pool. That's also off. And I already placed the medical university and the technical university, and there are houses all around it, all of the same type, and all of them do not get citizens. Yeah, this took me an hour and a half to put together. I already made footpaths in between, because those are going to be the lifelines. They're going to be asphalted, whereas these streets are just going to be graveled. But let's take out the measurement tool one more time. The whole thing is 600 meters. It's 400 meters long about. So that means that if you take this as a starting point, they are able to reach all facilities within 300 meters. So that's the idea. That's a lot of measurements. Yeah, why is that important? Well, the idea is that in the Soviet Republic, in walking distance. So walking distance is like a parameter used to see how far a building can be from a surface. And nowadays a mud footpath, but if you upgrade them, they'll increase the amount of space they can travel. That is then related to time. They have so much time, and at a asphalt road they just walk faster. Okay. Basically, I hope I now introduced these three parts. The municipal area, our storage yards, and yeah, what did I forget? I already put a bus platform here. Also a bus platform, bus stop here, that's going to connect to this one with one continuous road. So graveling that will be a primary objective for graveling. But besides that, we're going to start by building up our utilities. Well, actually this thing, and one of the extra storage yards. Yeah, I did not show this one, steel and prefabs. And we'll do that automatically with buildings coming in and foreign workers. We are going to need some foreign workers until we have our own, right? That's the idea. And then later on I'll use them sporadically for some underground tasks, which also could have done by municipal or domestic workers, but yeah, then I don't want to interfere with their own production lines. Like I would use workers that are needed for the heating plant in midwinter to go and put some pipe underground. No, that's not smart. So that's why they'll stay in place for a while. Without further ado, let's start. Like I said, oil tanks. We take full capacity ones, and I need two because I have two assignments for you. So these oil tanks will go to their depot, then they'll get their assignment, turn around and do their assignment. They have enough fuel to do that. But once there is a fuel tank filled, everyone will automatically get the next assignment to go and fuel up. And we're getting a dumper for our dumpers. Or what is it? Aggregates. And we're gonna get 3 open hulls. The ones with the highest capacity, of course, for our open hulls. There's one thing I said to them, go for 30%. I said to them, go for 100%. The gravel yard needs to be cleared out as well. So that's why they only have 30%. Well, there are my fuel tanks. 1 in, 1 out, 2 out. And here come my materials and gravel. Yeah, there's one thing I might add, that I put also some free storages for steel boards and bricks, and one for gravel, which will get these things started, and then I'll delete them as soon as possible. But come and get you here. You see it turns around to get fuel, and now it's fueled up. Now it goes to its and wait for a new thing to do. Okay, we need to wait until the gravel is out, so I'll get my road team started. That gets a small dumper, but which is fast, because in the beginning distances will be short, but later on yeah, it needs to be able to travel quite a distance. And you cannot just replace a vehicle anymore. That time is gone. You need to sell it, that will cost you, so better get the vehicle you need at the end. My road team is going to start graveling up a long stretch up till here. Graveling is important because, yeah, mud roads are nice, cheap, and that kind of stuff, but once it starts raining, everything slows down. And we didn't have rain yet, but that'll come. Okay, there we have our dumper. Then we can send our own dumpers behind him. They're over here. Dumpers, total capacity 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. We'll see 4 dumpers come out and follow their gravel. They'll come back also for asphalt, because you see they already have some tasks. What are for? 2. Yes. Then we can have open house. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the open hulls are, you know, they drive at normal speed, so I let them go first. They'll be followed by excavators, which will be very slow. But excavators are needed in the groundwork process, so I need them ASAP at the construction site as soon as gravel and other stuff are how do you say, delivered. So there comes my dumper that's gonna get gravel at the custom house for the road construction. That's not gonna wait till the gravel is being delivered at the other station. No, that can just start. That's number 4. Then also what we need at the start of anything is concrete. And also we'll need covered hulls to get us electrical and mechanical components for our electricity and other networks. So there we have our mixers. I'm gonna get one extra aggregate thingy because there's a small window of opportunity to do so. And just getting more gravel out to that storage is not bad. Okay, there come they. What do we have next? Open hulls, everything, road cranes. We'll get 4 road cranes. Well, we'll need fuel, so we'll have to wait now a while for all the fuel, and that's gonna get gravel. That's my last. And there come my material guys. There are my concrete guys. There's my new gravel guy. Okay. Yeah, just wait a bit. Now I wanna overextend things. We're not done yet. Because after this I need the buses for my foreign workers. They come and collect gravel, that's coming to collect asphalt. Well, more building materials, that's nice. This one gets no high priority, this one medium. Now I want to have that one come out, because that's quite an important one as well. Else the excavator can't go to work. Foreign workers times 4. Okay, then we have all our vehicles. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, we told them to start building just one building. That's the old storage yard, the construction office. So we can clear out the other construction offices. That's now waiting just for asphalt. But it means these dumpers are doing nothing. And I can give them another job, which will be electricity. We'll start with the electric substation, which needs again asphalt, concrete. This needs 2 concrete, so it will only get started when the concrete is here, and then, oh, that's already here, right? Yeah. So that got new jobs. That also is now available, so I have 2 more that are going to do my voltage switch. Also, they need just 1 load. And then the excavator will start digging, like it's digging here. Okay, but we started to do this. There's a different thing that's called the voltage wires. This one needs connection up to the custom house electricity thingy. That is already electrified. Okay. Then we do that. Now, okay. Well, trick question. How much electricity you think this whole city would use? Now the answer, whole city. But what would be the amount that is suitable for one outlet? It can have an outlet of 2.5. But then I only have 2.5 megawatts here, and yeah, some of these buildings are not covered. So that's why I like to split it in 1.2s. That's going to be here, and later on I get a new line for a 1.2 here. That is way too much, but I'd rather have too much power than failing power. So my power line goes out here, goes out here, comes over here, connects up here. Oh, that's the wrong one. But this is my future power line for the city. Well, you already know, because we now have to do the same thing here. And how much power are we going to give it? 0.65 is not enough. 1.2 is more than enough. Let's see if we can preserve some trees. I think we did. There we go. We connect you up. Now our covered hulls can get the electric wires for it, and our open hulls will get the boards that are needed for these cables. And I'm also immediately going to tell our foreign workers to do this, because it will take some time before those electric wires are there, or all the materials, the electric components. So it'll take some time for it to start. This, on the other hand, is now at almost the end, and we're going to send out our first workers, who now think they're going to do groundworks. But the trick is to have the groundwork completed and our materials at the site, and then it will start its next phase a little bit sooner. Okay, again, I have 2 dumpers standing here. That means we can do another job. And the job you're going to do is the gravel station, the endpoint. Also, this was going to be built. That needs steel and, again, mechanical components, but my covered hulls are gone. So even if I tell you to already start completing it, it will take some time before it's going to be completed. Now, I'm not telling you to complete this, because the groundworks needs to be done by the excavator. Okay, that is done here. We have 3 left, so they could get materials. And once that has been delivered, that can assist in delivering materials here. Here comes the bus with how many workers? 21. That is unfortunately not enough to finish the laying bricks phase. Laying bricks and then finish the entire construction. But the good news is we have most of the materials here, all of the materials. So the timing was nice, the amount of workers just wasn't, so now we're going to give it high priority, and then it'll send out more buses. Now, are you going to bring workers to the... Oh, that's for the wires already. Okay. Okay, get those wires done. Well, like I said, it was not enough to complete the whole phase. Then I need 30 or so workers. But not worry. You're also for medium wires. Yep. So next up are then the substation and the switch, and then we'll have electricity. So once a building gets done, and we can start it with the next one, which is the gravel storage, which will need a lot of concrete. So getting this done is now a priority, so we can get more. Oh, it's already done. Oh, that's fast. So we can get more vehicles in. At the moment you're just getting your gravel here. The rest is still over there. You'll do 3000 meters but no roads. Yeah, let's first get you your new vehicles. Not covered hulls, dumpers. 2 of them. 2 open hulls. Then we actually want to replace some vehicles. But where is number 4 of you? That's here. That has not been loaded yet. So we can sell you, okay, all of your vehicles, change workplace. And now he's first gonna change workplace? No. First gonna load, okay. Well, at least we cleaned out 1 workplace. Which we can destroy. Oh. That is going to... Yeah, now you're all gone, right? Okay. That's gone. We can put here another construction office and fill that up with concrete mixers, which is gonna get everything of its concrete over here. We'll even give this a name. Concrete can help with anything. Give me the concrete mixers ×4. And now this one will get done sooner. We'll get extra vehicles that can help with the storage, which we want to have graveled actually. So you first start with that. There you go. Oh. Yeah, we're still doing this one. That gets high priority, so you won't get distracted. If you're done with that, and I don't see that, coincidentally. And our dumpers, well, not yet. There's going to be a way that our aggregates need to be replaced over there. You need steel and mechanics. But we can add you to the list. Now with this thing I actually did a smart thing, was how do you say, cancel the construction on these 2 aggregates, which take up steel, which I need for other stuff at the moment. Have all your gravel, yes. Where are you going? The gravel storage. Okay, that's quite important. You have done that. Okay, then we can move all you. Now that gets done. And we'll have dumpers enough. So I even get started on my heating plant. Because I think that's a super important building. And while we're waiting on this to be built, now needs a lot of concrete. We get that one. We can even do our utilities. If I still have 1 dumper, I would almost say yes. Oh no. We're gonna wait until we can gravel this road, which probably will be soon, because you have everything you need. You're getting everything you need, so we can add you to the list. And we're still busy doing groundworks. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to do something stupid, and I'm going to already gravel this road because I see dumpers doing nothing. This piece of gravel road is going to take 41. That's no problem. And then we can wait till this be built. Then we're going to gravel this piece. But actually we could already say, hey, base camp has been made. We're now going for a utilities phase, which means the storage yard for gravel, the storage yard for steel and prefabs, and the heating plant. And we'll also want to have a and I also want to have a let's suspend that construction for a dump for garbage. This is just super nice to have. Hi there. Well, I'm chatting, but also focusing on the game, because a lot is happening in this game. And now you might say, how important is your beginning? Well, no, doesn't matter one day or later or maybe even a week. But yeah, like I said, waiting for rain is just horrible. So this is almost empty. It is going to be emptied, I guess. 44% and 100%, yes. Then you are getting something, then probably you are getting some, and then we can stop unloading here. You can also come here. Well, this piece, because it's just one road, here I have two connections. So this is could be a bottleneck, so having it done is really nice. Okay. And we'll have a use for all this gravel. Well, we're waiting for this one to be built, and this one. And this one is also getting along. Coming along. We're coming along. Hey, didn't we tell you to? No. No, we did. It's a bit late, but okay. We need 25 gravel. Well, that's 2.5 loads. That one empty you almost. And there we go. Well, if we're gonna expand on this operation, then give me one extra dumper, because there will be a moment that we're out of gravel. Hopefully there's also a moment that we'll have it full pretty soon. Okay, next up are our utilities. Oh, we should not forget our utilities. Let's put it like that. And then also we have our bus station. Okay, you get done. Once you're done, we need to fill you up. And then we have our new gravel point instead of this slow loading free storage yard. That's all. These three things are loading slow. So if you upgrade that to something which works on electricity, which we now have, then yeah, things just move faster. Okay, it's done. We'll say gravel only, and you guys can now unload at our brand new gravel station for the full 100%. Your gravel yard days are gone. I can tell you to help here. Assist that one. And you as well. Look at that, it already has its mechanical component, but just not the rest. Well, have you done? 22 steel and bricks? That'll come. Why are you getting... Oh, that was pretty stupid. Okay, your new gravel point. Your bricks, boards and steel point, you moron. And then over there. Okay, oh well, we'll still have our brick supply then. Now I understand how the mechanical components could have been there before the others. Okay, I was a little bit hasty. But with the utilities here coming, that's the last one. Yes, give me that. Well, not the last one. These are also important. Give me also these two. Then it will say, yeah, my gravel point is empty. Yeah. Not for long. But as long as your gravel point now is empty, giving any gravel assignments seem pointless. But let's go for electricity. That could share, and then let's also go for heat. You'll need oh, look at that, we have gravel. Well, if we have gravel, this one, so we can have the sewage and thingy. This one, so we can have the pub. this one so we can have the school and hospital. And this one for the kindergarten. Those are all roads I'm going to gravel, so yeah. We can asphalt team them later. What do you say? Your source for gravel is empty. Yes. These are no longer my dumpers, but my asphalt team. That is going to contain of 2 open holes, and they're going to be the personal drivers of a paver and a ruler. So we can change some of these later into asphalt footpaths. Okay, you have been done, but only just limit the amount of steel and prefab panels. 60/40 I use. We can tell you to go and unload here and not load for the full 100%. We do not need anything anymore in the steel department. You are getting your stuff. Steel here, prefab panels, you can now get there. Asphalt concrete stuff, yeah, okay. And thingy, that's being done. You have everything. Get you done. We are digging here or waiting for materials. We are waiting for materials. Look, you have already come to here. Now that's now your high priority. That's your medium. That's going to be your low priority. That is ready, that is coming, that is coming. We have already started here with our first projects. Then yeah, I sometimes like to start just with the hospital, as it's being a huge building. The moment all our excavators are here, that's cool. Let's put out electricity wires. You can do that once it's finished. Oh, you're now still busy. You're waiting for asphalt, of course. We now take the full to something that is gonna come here. And then we take out 120. We already do this, yeah. There we go. And these things give us fire in the wire. As soon as you have the materials, have it done. There is your asphalt coming. And how long are we in now? 45 minutes. So we actually have some time left. Okay. We'll see where we'll get. We're gonna tell you to come and do this as soon as possible. That as well. And for this one, we also need to dig a big hole. Now we don't have the gravel for that yet. But we need it as ASAP. Well, not ASAP. We need it as a super important thing. This is gonna take up, oh, just 43 gravel. Okay. We can handle that. We can handle that. But as you see, the first underground pipe is going to be dug. Just for funsies. Okay, next up are the pub and the this small what is it? Shopping mall. This is actually a pretty big one. This is not going to be done by one of the excavators. Should be, shouldn't be. Come on, it's big enough. Then we'll ask you. Okay, we're done here for the moment. We'll come back. Oh, yeah. And that one is even done. No, then we're not done. Mixed waste. There we go. Because we have already put out some technical offices, which are going to dump its stuff there and bring the rest over there. We'll have one for what is it, industrial waste, one for normal waste, and a snowplow. They're actually also pretty good and much cheaper. They'll just work a little bit slower. Oh well. We'll see how that goes. We have a technical office here that's going to get everything at the custom house. It's going to contain a water truck to bring in water in, and it'll have 2 snow plows. Well, let's go with the Soviet Union, or we'll save some money. And we have another technical office here, which is going to have a sewage truck and 2 garbage truck. Oh, and your mixed waste is of course coming here. That has everything for its groundworks. Cool. Could have a second excavator. I don't know where that has gone. Oh yeah, that's digging this line. Yeah. That'll be busy for a while. 7 more gravel. Oh, we have 100 something. We have our asphalt team standing ready. So what are nice roads to already have asphalted? The one near the thingy, this one. This one. First houses that are going to build are these ones, so let's have this one as well. Although that's not really helping you, but okay. This one is helping you. I get these done now because then they get done in one go. Once you connect them with footpath, they'll divide themselves in different segments, and yeah, you'll need to get something for every segment. And while we're waiting for these things, to get their first stuff, we have already put out these. Good, 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 good. That's waiting for its electronic components. You are digging, digging, digging. All our dumpers are on their way. Open hulls will have a job soon as well. The more machines that are moving, the better, I guess. But that seems logical to me. Do we want to have this piece asphalted as well? Doesn't seem to be mega important. You are digging, getting your asphalt, I guess, as well. Now they're getting asphalt for these roads. That'll take some time. Your priority is high. Medium, yep. So that's the idea. We have now most of our vehicles are moving. They're doing something. And they're not jammed. They're not all waiting. Well, okay, okay. A lot of them are waiting now here. That's the road guy. These are the asphalt team. But let's keep an eye on this custom office to see how busy it really is. Our foreign workers, well, they have some jobs to do. So you get in for the unfinished something. So you see here, there's the problem with the realistic mode. Your custom office is the bottleneck. So the less you need this custom office, the better you do. Well, if you get all your personnel from here, yeah, not only has that kind of a max, so you cannot unlimitedly get personnel from here. It also takes some time because it has to queue up with the rest. And there come our 3 material guys. The dumpers are taking this mud road nicely, not to interfere with people. You are done. Having a second mind. That is gravel again. going to get for the electric substation? Okay, that's important. Where are you getting stuff for the heating station exchanger? Okay. What are you getting here? Asphalt team. Why is my asphalt team doing something with buildings? Oh, maybe the pipeline, yeah. Okay. And our clogged up custom house is completely free. So that was temporarily. You can see that these guys are doing their best. You are almost past your groundwork stage. This is freeing up a couple of dumpers that are waiting here. Nice. Then we need a roller, which is already on the way back. These are also funny machines. They're now it's gonna leave. I think he's done. Oh, wait, I come at a note. Reconsider. There are 2 more jobs. I'm gonna do the rest once we have our own asphalt plant. Then this goes, of course, much quicker. He came to pick it up or so. Funny bunny. That roller knows what it's doing. You're getting your first stuff, so I'd say let's start building our first apartments. Let's suspend construction for you, because you have everything we'll need you at the end. You are done. You need everything, just a thingy. There you go. Then we have our first heat exchanger operational. And yes, that has a high priority for me. Okay, now I'm going to build a school, because I know that just needs prefabs and no bricks. So that's not going to compete with bricks with this one. Bricks as well. We need bricks as well. Well, just 12 more. So that's probably coming. Yes, 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 yes. So I'm gonna tell our foreign workers, hey, come here and start finishing those 2. The pub and the small or medium shopping store. Why are they important? They'll supply food, they'll supply meat, they'll supply electronics, and they'll supply alcohol. 2 of them are super important, meat and food. Electronics and the pub are mildly important. But still important enough to have them at the start, because yeah, else you need quite a, you know, you need to import food and stuff, and that also takes time, so it's better that it's here, you know. When you're coming to work, you want to have something to eat. I kind of get that. Okay, that was the last of your asphalt team, guys. I do want to have this little one, this little fucker stretched as well. And we'll need you to do that. You are waiting for asphalt, of course. That's because our asphalt supply line is just the longest. There is of course something we could do about that, but yeah, not everything. Oh, now you are going to do that. Okay. And we can tell those foreign workers to fuck off. Oh, did I say that out loud? Yeah. Okay. It's also been done. First workers, but you still need some bricks. They must be underway, else they should be coming now. They're underway. Yeah, we didn't really need them yet, but don't want to run out. Okay. Here, oh yeah, that's the storages. We can do the football field. Top is done. It is not done. Well, almost. Pop was almost done. Did we already say continue? No? Well, then we're gonna tell you in a minute. These side roads have been gravelled or asphalted, so we can connect these. Then I guess we want to have asphalt roads here as well. All the way up to the university building. Okay. Next up is going to be in slow motion our cinema. Let's just need a really lot of concrete. Are we out of steel yet? No. We are not. But we soon are. School gets its stuff, that's nice. You're getting your stuff. Nice. And we have our shopping mall, and that is nice. There you go. You have storages which will change into mainly food, little bit of clothes, and some electronics. Then we need our stores and warehouses, distribution guys. 2 covered, 1 refrigerated. You collect everything at the custom house and then you can drop it off here. This is everything, but we can suspend the construction. We do not have our sewage and thing yet. So let's get them. I see that because that water truck is now supplying a individual building instead of doing that through the water supply tank. Okay, you're busy, you're getting materials now. School gets done. This one gets done. And it's time for the kindergarten. To come along. Let's see, we need an asphalt footpath here as well. Didn't we say asphalt footpath? Why doesn't it want to do this? Oh, it goes like this. Okay. What's that? Okay, just 21 bricks and 3.6 tons of steel. Hey, I'm out of steel. No, you're not. You are not. Just get it over there. No. From now on. There are 2 dumps empty. 1 as well, but we need to keep that for a while. Asphalt coming for those footpaths. 1 and 2. You're getting meat and stuff. You almost have everything. Steel is coming. You will get 60 bricks next. And then you will get 20. And then we are almost done. Coarse asphalt. It's good that we have so many dumpers. That can do that side as well. As soon as it hits a new node where it can consider its options. Check that a little bit better, but okay. We'll take it. How are you doing? Oh, you're almost there. It's gonna get high priority for you. Excavators can do that one then. Okay, our sewage and water tank, or water substation. There we go. Plenty of jobs for you to do here. That already has asphalt. Didn't we tell you to start already? Did I miss something? Yes. Definitely did. But then again, we'll have to at once delete that as well. Now we need to finish up things before they are done. That means the school, this, next then would be the fire station, I would say. Should just need 18 more bricks. This is the least important crossing, I guess. Doesn't connect on the back side. That sucks. Then we'll do it like that. Can we make that a little bit sharper even then? That's a footpath. Okay, how far are we? 1 hour and 50 minutes. That's already over my announced time, so I can keep up with my own rules. Okay, you're going to collect bricks. Just have to wait till these are done. And in the meantime, maybe turn on another project. And that would be either another house or the pool. Or both. Well, this side is done as well. Nice. Connect it up there. Okay, that's been done. You have all your bricks. You're getting your bricks. And then you're getting 52 bricks. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing this one, but then we need to do two things. Give it above. There's an epidemic situation, but luckily we have no citizens yet. Okay, it's getting more workers in some way, in some weird way. Okay, and we're not getting that back alley for nothing. Okay, you draw in the concrete. Everything. Okay. Now we can do some crazy stuff again. How far are you? Almost done. Yeah, then you need to do the second. I think you're done. You have 600, okay. That's a good number. You can get some gravel from them. And then you'll start all over again here. High, medium. Even low. No. Keep that open for the dumpers. Okay, that needs new building materials. Should actually get high priority. That is something. We didn't mention this one for nothing because now it's going to connect up. And we'll get another house. The school is. Oh, you can keep it for now. Oh, no. Why do you have it? Come on. Come to one of these. Also need that face. We just need 32 more bricks. Well, most of them are there. Okay, then get started. Suspend construction on this one. Okay, that's one dumper available, two dumper available. Yeah, that's something else. My fuel team needs to start fueling up on this one as well. Please. We have a nice gas station here, but it's empty. But luckily this does not need fuel right away. Okay, that's that. Now are you gonna turn around or not? No, because you need fuel. Do you really believe that? Oh yeah. The workers non-mechanism. Okay, then we can reassign you. What do you mean does not exist? Oh, just that roller has to come first. Funny. Okay. We can resume construction on this one. We can resume construction on this one. You have all your stuff. Oh, you have mechanisms. No, you wait. Just go to the school and we're getting another one of you. That's happily busy. Continue with this one. Oh no, it's 0.0 gravel. Okay. If you say so. That's number 2 getting done. Okay. Now, for one reason or some, this is still standing here. Okay, this is with lamps. Nice. We took the wrong one. Which one is the pool? This one is the pool. Unfinished footpath. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, we have all our mechanisms at the right places. No. Okay, you're getting workers, but you're not getting workers. don't you get nah, okay. I'll give this high priority. And then one of the cranes come and help there. No, 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 no. Oh well, okay, it's not so bad. It's done, it's done. Start construction on the pool. Where is, oh yeah, still over here at the sewage. What about all that here? Why can't we? Oh, it's just taking goddamn forever. That one needs what? Jesus. Okay, that's what you get for using lamps and stuff. You get punished. We'll save here, continue next time. We're not, we're nice on schedule.